Hey, it's Joe with Amalgam. I'm super excited for this video. I'm going to walk you through how to connect Claude for Excel with Amalgam using a Claude skill. I'm just setting it up for the first time. We've just released this as the recording of the video. So I'm going to go along with it as you would. There might be some downtimes as Claude's thinking or other things are going on, but you should be able to kind of get the gist of it, and I'll put the timestamps in the notes of the video so that you can kind of move along. But I've got right now, I'm in Excel, I've got my Claude connected here, I've got my Amalgam connected, and I need to go ahead and download the Claude skill itself. So I'm going to open up my Amalgam page. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, I'm going to go to support. I'm just going to search Claude here. And you can see use Amalgam with Claude, and it just kind of walks me through the different steps. And so the first thing I'm going to have to do is download the Amalgam zip and then sign in with Claude. And so we'll do that in a second. So we'll pull that up as well. So let me get my Claude going here also. And so, yeah, so we've got the Claude skill. We've just downloaded that. Let me create a window. I'll pull that to the side so we can see. So we're signed into Claude. Check the bottom left for settings, open capabilities. Let's see here. We want settings, and then we want capabilities. And then what does it say here? Upload skill, and we're going to upload the file we just created here. So let me move my head. Upload skills. Skills have moved to customize. So we're going to go there. There we go. Here's our skill creator. So hit the plus, create skill, upload a skill. And so I'm going to drop this in. We can just drop in the download itself. So just do that. Here we go. Amalgam Automation skill is live. It's living, baby. Okay, cool. What's next? You should see Amalgam Automation appear in your skills list. We do. There it is, Amalgam Hypo. Now turn on automation mode in Amalgam itself. So we're going to go back to our Excel. If I click the hamburger menu here, I go to enable automation mode. And so now you'll see that a new tab has been created. So let's just double check back here. We've got automation mode, and then you'll see the cyan tab, and that's what it's connected to. So basically reassuring you that like this cyan tab is where the controls are. Don't connect, don't do any of that. So now I've got it set up. So I can go ahead and ask Claude certain things. So if I wanted to say, Claude, run a P&L report for ABC widgets out of QuickBooks for 2025 by month. Let's see how that works. So it's going to start thinking here for us and kind of going through. One thing I'll mention now, as I set up the Claude skill, one of the things that will be relevant if you're setting up for a team that might require some additional functionality. So go ahead and request that through our team. You can do that. Just send us an email or something like that, and we'll help you get it set up for your team. But no extra costs associated with just going through it. So you can see a certain look here. It's verifying the automation mode. It actually is stamping out all of our different providers there and kind of going through here. So there it goes. You can see it's finding the QuickBooks. Obviously, some of this could just be done more quickly if you ran it yourself, right? So you kind of have to understand. The other thing is you can write some more complex prompts, hit run and then come back to it. So that's certainly something it could do. So now it's done the initial verification, which can take some time, and then it will create a P&L report for us. And so there you go. You can see it's creating the new tab now. This is the Amalgam taking over here where we're actually stamping out a new tab. So the P&L should be created for ABC widgets. That all looks correct. And then should be able to stamp out our report for us. Let's see, creating the P&L, recognizing the P&L sheet. Should find the date soon now. Set filters for 2025, monthly breakdown. It should recognize that. So obviously for us visually, we can see start date, end date, period. Like those are the fields that we're going to use. And then it will set for us. So it's continuing to think. There you go, populated it. Now it should run the report for us and stamp it out. There you go, produce the report. And then, you can do other things that you're doing with Claude for Excel if you wanted to link it up into, there you go. So now you can do all the things you want to do, like expand a column P to, if I can spell column P to show the whole word, and set all of the numerical cells as currency format with no decimal places. There you go. Let's see how it responds here. And then maybe we'll just ask it to edit it. And these are things that quite a few different things that we could do. There you go. And there you have it. We've just set it up. I'm going to say expand columns Q through whatever AZ to be to hold the whole number. Let's see if they understand that enough with my spelling. Hold the whole numbers. So there you go. Just playing around here. You guys get the idea. Auto-fitted. Run this report by class instead of months. There you go. It should be able to. There you go. Switch to classes and rerunning it. You can see it took a little bit of time that first run through, but now it sort of recognizes things pretty quickly, reruns it, and there you go. Now we've run by classes. So yeah, you can see how easy it is to connect Claude with Excel. It took a moment or two to kind of get that skill downloaded. And then we have this Amalgam Controls tab where it's interacting with the information. It's not, technically complex, right? Simplicity can be the best thing here. So that's how you set up Claude for Excel. And yeah, looking forward to your feedback and you guys being able to really dive in and get additional automation with this integration. Thanks. Bye.